You are welcome to Vedic TV, where you get information based on fact. Tinubu's arrival, Southeast on fire as all military checkpoints is dismantled over fear of Ipob. Okay, my people, no be small matter. Yes, so Tinubu paid a visit to the southeast just yesterday, and be smart. The president himself, he knew that he knew it that he's going to see the unbelievable, and he really saw it. Well, it was a very sweet move, but the way the people of the southeast was handling the whole thing, it was like a brigadier general is visiting the southeast. In fact, all military checkpoints were dismantled, and why the people were spotted queuing in line to welcome the president of the Federal Republic of Nigeria. Why some were also afraid that IPOP is going to strike, because there's no way that if Tinubu does not release Nnamdi Kanu, his leg will not step fit in the southeast. But everything being equal, everything went well. Let's quickly check the content. This is today's news. Southeast leaders have appealed to President Bola Tinubu to order the dismantling of checkpoints and roadblocks in the region to curb high prices of goods in the country. The arrival of Bola Tinubu to the southeast just yesterday has done so, but only because of his visit. The leader also pleaded with the president to ensure that moribund, the moribund Anambra basin with abundant oil and gas reserves is revived in the interest of the nation's economy. The appeal were made at the town hall meeting during President Bola Tinubu's official visit to Enugu State, where many projects executed by Governor Peter Mba administration were commissioned. Presenting his appeal, Onyemuche Nnamani noted that checkpoints and roadblocks have a lot of drawbacks, which have negatively affected the economy of the people in the zone and even constitute a security risk. He contended that with the modern command and control center established by the Enugu state government and other strategies put in place, there was no need for the traditional checkpoints and roadblocks. He said that the security measures put in place by Governor Mba were critical for the encouragement of investment and economic growth. Yes, you see, I want to first of all appreciate the coming of Tinubu. Yes, I want to appreciate it because nobody knows what would have happened. Nobody knows what would have happened. The coming of Tinubu has a lot, a lot to render to the southeast, and that is why you saw that the southeast people, um, and the southeast people really needs to take advantage of his presence. You understand now, of his presence. Okay, but meanwhile, I am not surprised. Um, I believe that now that Bola Ahmed Tinubu has come, the southeast will put their demand before him, and I'm very sure that even himself will begin to see reason to this very quest. Number one on their list is the release of Mazen Nnamdi Kanu, which they say they are going to use the opportunity to put before him, and also the same security checkpoint we are talking about. Why is it that because Tinubu was coming, that's when they know that they will dismantle the checkpoint? That means they are not thinking about the interest of the people, but the interest of the president. That is why it is only in Nigeria that we record we that the rich is respected, but the poor is not respected. Nobody wants to know about the interest of the poor, only the interest of the rich. Hmm. Anyway, my people, let's quickly hear from you. Okay, don't forget to click on the red subscribe buttons as well as the bell buttons to get updated each time we upload any new videos. Thank you.